I am Mrs. Stalonis Reviews. Welcome back to Stalonis Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel. Our goal for October is 100 subscribers by the end of the month. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Help us reach our goal. Today we are going to be continuing our look at October Halloween spooky themed brick builds. This is going to be an unboxing, unbagging of a set that says it is the Happy Magic Shop. You can really see a lot of what it is just from looking at the outside, since it's packaged in a clear plastic bag. And this clear plastic bag actually has a zipper, so I'm not even going to need my knife to open it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what it's going to be. I can tell you there's really not much on the packaging. It's just pretty much all the sort of things that go on a bag that says, hey, this is a bag, be careful with it. Please don't, let your small children choke on it. I'm going to go ahead and unzip this right there. And I'll go ahead and just take out the book to start with. It's a pretty decent quality of book here, it looks like. It says it's the Happy Magic Shop. You can see that it is a pastel colored. It doesn't look like spooky colors. It's kind of pink and purple, so it looks like it could even be suitable for not spooky time. We'll have to look at all the details in it, but you can see the rest of the picture has, like, the witch and bats flying around. So it looks like they definitely want us to think in terms of Halloween right now, but it also looks like it's something that could be a little bit more universally timed. Right at the front, it's got something, looks like it's gonna have one of our brick tools in there, and it's all the rules about how to do it. And the picture shows here that there are numbered bags, it looks like. So it looks like it's hopefully gonna have some numbered bags. And right here on the first page, it also has some of the descriptors as far as the size of pieces and how to make sure you're using the symbols on your pages correctly. As you can see, hopefully you can see that right there up at the top, the language on the pictures is not English. It's some sort of, probably Chinese would be my guess, but it's definitely some sort of character language. So it's really helpful that they've got very clear pictures there to help you figure out. There's also here a sheet of, it looks like about 15 stickers that probably go in someplace. I'm just going to go ahead and leave them there just so that they stay nice and flat as I work. And yes, it looks like there's very definitely numbered bags. This shows that it's going to be bag 1, and that it gives us the picture of what's going to be coming up in what bag 1 will build. So it's pretty, there's not huge amounts to do on each step, which is always nice. Sometimes, they'll do like 50 pieces in one step. This is a nice amount of steps to get things accomplished. The pictures look really clear at this point. We'll see when I'm actually building and I have to make a decision about what I'm doing. But at this moment, it looks like they're pretty clear. There are definitely some side steps where they're showing you how to build it and then put it in. They also have some details here where there's a particular brick that they want you to use, and they want you to make sure that it's not one of similar bricks so that you have the exact right brick. So that's good. And it looks like it builds pretty quickly here. I haven't seen the second bag yet on the list, but we've got a lot built. So I think maybe I'm just going to go back and check. I feel like maybe, oh, there's the second bag. So this is where the second bag came in. But so that shows us what gets added in the second bag. And then, let's see, should be almost, there's a third bag, it looks like. And we're still really in open walls here. There's not, the exterior walls haven't been added yet. They do definitely have the symbols for turning it around, so you're looking at the opposite side, so I'll have to remember to watch for those. Oh, here's another one where that piece that we looked at before, now it was this one on that other piece, now it's that one. So there's a good chance that all 4 of those pieces are somewhere in this build, and that's what they're paying attention to. 4th bag. Okay, now I have way more bags than it looks like this is going to cover, so I suspect that it's a case where there's multiple bags with the same number. So I'll have to make sure I get all of the bags with the numbers. We are getting a little bit more structure to it. All right, so we've got some walls. We're to the 5th bag now. Looks like we're starting to get the top level of this built. There's all a lot of bright purple and pink colors. And a 6th bag, okay. So we've got 6 sections at least. I'm gonna go ahead and just flip forward a little bit so you don't have to see every page here. 7th bag. But the directions seem really clear. Like it's gonna be really direct and not too hard to figure out what I need to do. And it looks like in total there are 82 pages, 174 steps. And on this last page, this is nice. It does sort of indicate to you which bags were where. So, oh no, it's the stickers. Oh, those are the stickers. So you build it all and then you add the stickers to the outside. That's very different. So here we have stickers 11, 10, 12, 13, and 1, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like there are some stickers that are added as you go, but a lot of them are just added to the outside as you finish. Looks like some of the stickers are just bats added in particular places. So this looks like this is a pretty good directions. I'm really happy with that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bags. I like this, since this is packaged in a bag, I like that it's packaged in a Ziploc bag because it'll be really easy for me to go ahead and put things back away. Looks like we have the traditional sort of packaging with the flats in it so that it's not, they don't have to add those to the big pages. So I've got 4, I've got 5, so yeah, I've got 5, 6, a big 6, 3, 4. I always like to sort them when I'm looking at them, so there's one right there. 5, 7, 6. So it doesn't look like there's more than 3 bags per number. I do have an 8 bag. I don't remember seeing 8 on there, but it looks like 8 is the people. And the people are like minifigs that are mini. They are about less than half the size, I'd say, of a regular minifigure. So that's actually really cool. Those are gonna, I think, scale a lot better with what I'm seeing of this build. So I'm really looking forward to this build. I look forward to you getting to see the review of this, and we'll see how it goes. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also you can join our Patreon page for $3.50 a month. You can see all our videos ad-free. Let us help you decide what to build next, and have a good day.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.